Imagine a hidden paradise so stunning. It's nicknamed the Maldives of Madagascar. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you why Nosy Iranja might just redefine your idea of a tropical getaway. Want postcard-perfect photos, crystal-clear lagoons, and a jaw-dropping sandbar that vanishes with the tide? Keep watching, because this island has it all. Welcome to Nosy Iranja, often hailed as the Maldives of Madagascar. At first glance, it's easy to see why. Turquoise waters, brilliant white sand, and vibrant marine life. But this isn't just another pretty beach here. Nature puts on a daily show as the sandbank disappears beneath the ocean at high tide, transforming the landscape before your eyes. So, what makes this island worth your full attention? For starters, you can literally walk between two islets on a dazzling sandbar that looks straight out of a fairy tale. Spot baby sea turtles scuttling to the water if you're lucky, or climb to the top of its charming lighthouse, the highest point on the island, for 360-degree views. Trust me, the photos you'll snap here will blow your social feeds away. But it's not just about the views. Take a short snorkel trip and you'll discover coral gardens teeming with tropical fish. Chat with the friendly locals. Yes, there's a small village here, and learn about their daily life on an island so remote it's surrounded by nothing but horizon. Or kick back on the beach with fresh coconut water while the tide works its magic. Before you pack your bags, here's what you need to know. Timing is everything. Aim for low tide to walk across the sandbar. Bring reef-safe sunscreen. Malagasy waters are home to delicate corals and marine life. Start your journey from Nosy Be. A boat ride will whisk you to Iranja in just a couple of hours. Ready to see more? This is Nosy Iranja, two islands connected by an ever-shifting thread of sand. It's where nature's artistry meets the raw beauty of Madagascar. If you're craving an experience that feels like a dream, one that ends with sun-soaked memories and incredible stories, this is the place to be. I'm inviting you to dive deeper. Check out my full video for an in-depth guide, or better yet, see it for yourself. Trust me, paradise never felt so real.